Hey guys, and how's it going on? In this video we will be talking about how to use Gemini AI in Google Sheets. So recently Google have introduced Gemini, which is an amazing AI software which is compared to ChatGPT, and it is a generative pre-trained transformer text model that just simply gives you answers to any of your queries and questions and whatever you just simply throw to it. Now it have an integration with Google Sheets as well, and it works damn amazing. So I really recommend you to simply integrate it with your sheets, so it is going to be boosting up and skyrocketing your speed of workflow. So let's just check out that how it actually works. So use the Gemini in Sheets side panel. So basically it is appearing once you install it onto your Google Sheets. By the way, you need a subscription to Microsoft all of their software tools. So you have Sheets, Word, and PowerPoint, and all of that stuff. So basically, offer Office 365 or something like that. You're going to be needing a subscription for that in the first place to use it. So let's just assume that you have it now on your computer. You're going to be simply opening your spreadsheet from Google Sheets, and then at the top right, click Ask Gemini, and to make the side panel bigger, you can simply drag using this type of arrow keys. Let me show you by zooming in as well. Alright, so here as you can see, this little arrow key, you can simply resize it, the side integration bar. We are going to be having a Gemini integration icon like this, and yeah, so you can simply enter a lot of prompts in here, like for example, create a table for a full day team event, and it is going to be creating amazing. You can see in here like how beautifully it works. So make sure to try this for yourself. Simply head over to your Google Sheets and install this integration. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.